Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I'm gonna take you around for today since it is my day off on the weekends. We're gonna do something fun, hopefully. This is the little fit check. We have this fair brandy melville top in red, Abercrombie mom shorts, my little hair in the little two braid. This is the finished makeup look. Very simple and natural look with brows, I guess. Yeah, I don't know what's happening with my brows, but it's okay. Your body's beat by the window seat. Little eyes look high up in the blues and stars. Headed to Best Buy. What are we gonna get here? We're back and Aaron got Rainstorm bumpers for our Apple Watch because I got a new one in the color pink. I can't believe it. This is crazy. We got, guys, Aaron is bad.
What the?
Is bad at making at stopping me from buying things that I don't need.
You were getting mad.
I was getting mad. You were getting mad at me. I was like, just get it. He goes, just get it. I know you're gonna continue talking about it. Just get it. Oh my gosh. And so, Wingstop. All right, y'all. This is the setup. Ooh, we got the corn, the fried corn, and then we got the Wingstop fries, and then here's the wings, spicy Korean and Hawaiian barbecue.
It's hickory smoked barbecue.
Oh, hickory smoked barbecue. Start off strong. Oh yeah. Oh no. I think this table is meant for me because, bruh, I'm always making a mess. What do you think, Gary?
Huh? Basha.
Never disappoint. Okay, pass me a drumstick for my.
You're the one that got cockroaches.
This is what we really look like when we eat. So I did the new Apple Watch, and then I went to Comic-Con to get some stuff. Sponge and brush cleanser, or cleaner, yeah, cleanser, and then 4-in-1 concealer from Too Faced, and lastly I just got more of this Day styling cream. It's so good. Like whenever I have like dirty hair and it's like hair wash day, I slick it in the today, like literally today. And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have any more, but yeah. We got finesse, y'all. We got finesse, y'all.
We got finesse.
Wait, so
Just got scammed, bro.
how much do we have
I was
left?
so worried I wasn't gonna have enough.
No,
I'm like, please.
I had a fun pass that had like almost 500 500 on top of it. Yikes. Okay, let's go.
I don't think these are clean.
That's root beer.
What do you get?
I got nothing.
Why didn't you get anything?
I'll share.
I think we only came here for the food.
I went to Hello Kitty Plus.
I want to play games. Why are we eating food?
You wanna go sit down?
What?
This is literally like how much money?
Yo, what do you think? 10 out of 10. Yeah. We're having chicken wings again.
Is it one each?
Actually, the rest of us are having chicken wings, minus one girl.
Impossible now.
Oh, okay.
I think it is 19.
Wait.
Oh no. Oh, never mind, never mind. Yeah.
Throw the ball, dog. Throw the ball, dog. You're not making it, bro.
You're losing, girl. Oh. Come on, Justin.
I won.
So sad. I'm literally crying. Now Justin's turn. Justin's turn. Oh. Try again. Oh, Mono Aaron.
I rolled the ball too long.
This is about to get embarrassing.
Oh.
I got one.
You're supposed to get all three, bro. All three?
My man.
Here's how to play the Walmart. All you have to do is send one bottle of Coke. Leave the rambling on top, and you win big.
Corona time. Ready to leave?
Yeah.
We won 2 prizes.
Woo! Show them. We got this. Everyone looks so happy right now.
Oh.